Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and you know we have wrapped a lot of Cybertrucks using T-Max satin black color change PPF, but the truck that I have to share with you today, hands down, is the best. Let's get right into it. As you can see, we wrapped the complete exterior using satin black color change PPF, probably the #1 color of choice among Cybertruck owners. And let's end it with that. We've spoken about that enough in the past. Let's jump right into, first of all, our brand new, fully forged CT8 wheels, finished in gloss black with Falcon all-terrain tires, and our brand new floating center cap that says T-sportline in the Cyber graffiti font. That's super cool. Brake calipers, acid green, custom painted with Cybertruck letters right onto the caliper in black. And I mean, do you guys see what's going on here? This is something else. A fully reupholstered interior using Ferrari black leather and acid green leather, custom imported all the way from Europe, from the tanneries in Europe that actually manufacture for the likes of Ferrari and Lamborghini. And this color is very special. As you can see, it is acid green, and we reupholstered the 5 interior door panels using this leather, the lower dash that goes right along the whole front over here, and then jumping right into the seats, two-tone Ferrari black leather, acid green leather with contrasting acid green stitching for that perfect detail. So the seats have been completely reupholstered in leather, front and back, and the back of the seats, door panel inserts, lower dash, and the steering wheel. Two-tone black and acid green leather with the contrast stitching. Absolutely is like icing on the cake on this interior build. So this truck is all done. So this truck is about to leave beautiful California and make its way home to its owner in Texas. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you love our content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so much more coming your way soon.